So my name is Ivonna Dumanyan. I'm a mechanical engineer. In my sophomore year, I began working on a wearable sensor device that was meant to help athletes stay healthier longer. That began as a pronation detection wearable and eventually evolved to something that's now kind of a motion capture device, really, that allows the flexibility to rehab in the training room or train in the field or run drills or be on a 10K run, and it's continuously capturing your biomechanical data. This got started basically as a way for my partner to rehab from injury. We kind of had a chance to talk about the issues that she was facing, the issues that I was facing as an athlete in constant prehab and constant rehab, and we decided to just go for it. So everybody talks about the flashpoint, that point in which you just can't sit back and you just have this brilliant idea and you move forward and things take off and you become a successful innovator, billionaire, CEO person. And I think maybe that's a little true, but it starts out as like a little tiny ember inside. It's this like, I have an idea and I believe in it and I think it could do a great thing. But what turns it into a fire, what that flashpoint is all of the series of incredible people that, break you down and build you up and tell you no and tell you yes and support you and discredit you. Those are the people that motivate you to get better and to cultivate and to make it better. Because if I didn't have that, I would still be at an Arduino out of the box with some pressure sensitive film in a pressure sensor, and that is not the idea that is not the innovation that we needed to make change. I think the thing to remember is that no one really believes in your idea. They believe in you. And so you can't do something half-heartedly and part-time and without dedication, without motivation. You need to be the champion of that idea through and through, and you need to cultivate it. And don't stick to that idea, stick to the mission that you're trying to solve, right? We went through hundreds of iterations before we got to the physical thing, because we were always chasing that idea and we were always listening to the people that we were building it for. And so the most powerful thing that you can have is an open mind and dedication to your mission. And especially when it comes to young women, don't be discouraged. Believe in yourself. And that's a terribly hard thing to do when you're sitting in front of a director of a program or a funder or an investor and they tell you no, and you're going to hear no, 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 no. But eventually they'll say yes. Because if you believe in it strongly enough, and if you've been listening, and if you've been developing, and if you're pursuing this mission, you'll get there. And you'll do incredible things.